Don't download Lumen5 Enterprise Video Marketing Suite app before watching this. Before you download Lumen5 Enterprise, here's what most companies get wrong. It's not just a video maker. At the enterprise level, Lumen offers AI-driven video creation, brand templates, and performance analytics, but without strategy, it can produce low-impact content. Step 1. Define video marketing goals. Decide whether the focus is brand awareness, social engagement, or lead generation. Most people get this wrong by creating videos without alignment to campaigns, wasting time and budget. Step 2. Set up brand templates and workflows. Use consistent colors, fonts, and messaging. The surprising truth is, inconsistent branding reduces engagement and weakens recognition. Step 3. Integrate with social and analytics platforms. Without integration, tracking performance and ROI is difficult. Step 4. Monitor metrics and optimize. Track views, click-through rates, and conversions. Teams that skip this step often fail to improve video strategy. The upside: proper Lumen Enterprise use can reduce production time by 50%, increase audience engagement, and streamline video workflows across teams. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization defines goals, sets up templates and workflows, integrates platforms, and monitors performance. For smaller teams, Lumen standard plans may be enough. Subscribe for strategies on mastering enterprise video marketing.